Hello, I'm Kristen and welcome to Studio Knit. I'm so excited to finally be giving you a tour. So I will be sharing my knitting studio with you along with my office that I'm in right now. I'll also give you a little look at the surrounding area here on the beautiful California coast. I'm so thankful to be located along the ocean. Right up from it, we have a skate park, the post office, and then my Studio Knit headquarters. I can hear the foghorn every 10 seconds. And this beach is a premier destination for some of the world's best big wave surfers. It's just a short walk from my home to Studio Knit. I share the building with a few other wonderful businesses. Right now, my studio is totally private, so I'm especially excited to be opening my doors virtually to you today. This is my magical sanctuary. I love coming to work every morning. It's where I gain inspiration, come up with new ideas. Of course, I knit. I film all of my videos here, edit them as well, answer comments, check email for all of those great email subscribers. And I want to thank you, everyone on my email list who encouraged me to make this video. My office is always cozy warm when I arrive. I spend most of my time in here doing business-related activities, but of course I also knit in here as well. And do you recognize the blanket pattern on my couch? Yes, it is the tumbling blocks blanket. Aside from knitting, one of the crafts I really enjoy is making felt flowers. And making these small versions inspired me to create the large white felt flowers on my wall. It's still a work in progress, and I plan to add even more. My ceiling design matches the felt flower shape. I added these ceiling tile covers, and it gives the room a much cleaner and artsy feeling. I wanted this rug color and a beachy vibe, so these coral designs with the coral color is perfect. I'm totally in love with my curtains. I found them on Anthropologie and they were back ordered for months. I love how the bird appliques have beads and there's so many different variations. All of my little friends make me so happy. And beyond the curtain, I have a balcony. And how lucky am I that it is facing the ocean. Even from my desk, when I have those curtains open, I can see the waves. Having an outdoor space is really special, and it allows me to be able to film outdoors in natural light. I just love it. My knitting studio is a large open room. It allows me to move things around for different projects. I can do mailings of my books, film, and having these large built-in cabinets is super helpful to keep everything organized and out of sight. You'll probably recognize my pumpkin patch forest, and this area is actually known for its pumpkins. They grow thousands of pumpkins, have big pumpkin festivals and weigh-offs. So pumpkins are very appreciated here all year round. And looking down below, often there are outdoor diners from the restaurant, which is located right below me. And when they're dining, they're able to look up and see different things that I like to display in front of the windows. I was thinking with this big open blank wall that a future project is to create some sort of colorful background where I can film in front of. And let's take a look at this kitchen area. It's so nice to have my own sink right here. And since I really don't do much cooking, these kitchen cabinets are being used as, you guessed it, yarn storage. Thank you everybody for joining me here on my tour of Studio Knit. Now, it is my dream in the future to be offering in-person classes here. So if that's something you're interested in, think that you may find yourself on the Northern California coast, please make sure you have joined my email list, because that's where I will be sharing all of the updates from here on forward. Of course, it's totally free to join. So again, I have a link down in the description for you. You'll get free knitting patterns, and it's also a really great way for us to be able to connect a little bit more one-on-one. I tend to share more on my email list than I do on social media, and I hope to see you there. Thanks again so much for joining me here. It's been a pleasure, and I will see you here next time. Bye!